YouTube, what's poppin'? It's HeyAngee, not Angie, and I am back with another video. I'm probably like, girl, what the hell you got going with that little shit turd on the top of your head? I know, I'll probably look crazy, but I'm about to do a hair transformation. Woo! We love those, don't we? We love those. Okay, so first things first. My hair is not completely black, and it's like really bothering me. Like, I hate that. Like, it's inconsistent. The color is inconsistent. Like, in some places it's super dark, some places it's brown, some spots is like really like orangey. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but I hate that. So I'm gonna try to, for the 50th time, dye my hair black. This part of my hair, I'm gonna try to dye it black. I mean, like, black. And I think the problem was that I wasn't trying to get that harsh black look, so I was doing natural blacks, but it ain't working. So baby, guess what we got? Guess what we got this time? Hold on, let me show it to you. Get my little bag. Let me show you. We have jet black, okay? This is the blackest that it can get. This is gonna be so black. It's gonna be so black. And I got the fade resist. So we should be good after this. Like, our hair should be black, healthy looking, shiny looking, and giving life after this. Hopefully. Alright. Now, I got this little piece sectioned off because, of course, me being me, I want a skunk stripe. I've been seeing all the girlies with their little color piece, and I'm like, that is so cute. And I know I already had it. I had 2 blonde pieces before, but I want to try it. Like, I just want to try and see, you know. This is kind of different because before I had it like over here, and then I had it on both sides. This time it's like on my middle part. It's on like the left side of my middle part, and then it's like dead in the front. So if I was to wear my hair like bust down middle part, you will be able to see it like right there in the front. I think that's so cute. And then if I was to wear my side part, it'll still be right in the front, kind of like a peekaboo kind of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. I don't know how it's gonna come out. I don't even know what color my hair is gonna go to when I put this bleach on it, because I had the pink and then I just put black on top of that, so it might go to orange when I bleach it. I have no idea. But I got some little bleach left over from whenever the last time it was that I dyed my hair. And then I bought some purple shampoo just in case it is a little orangey. This can like get the orangey, you know, purple shampoo, get the bronziness off of it. So hopefully that works out how I see it in my head, okay? I really want to keep it blonde and just have the super black with the blonde contrast. That'd be like chef's kiss. But I don't know how blonde I'm gonna be able to get my hair without damaging it, and you know, we ain't doing it. So yeah, I don't know. If I can't get it to the blonde that I want and it don't look healthy and like it's not one consistent color, then I'm gonna have to default to the Cajun spice. It's kind of giving like a ginger kind of vibe, which is not ugly, but it's just not what I wanted. I mean, if I don't go ginger, I have a couple of these pink bottles still. This pink blush, I have a couple of these. The only thing is the pink blush is like pink, and I can't have pink hair at work, so I will have to dilute it a little bit with this rich eggplant. It's kind of like a dark purple. So hopefully when I mix these two, I get kind of like a burgundy-ish color, because that I can have at work. So basically, I don't know what color skunk stripe I'm gonna have. I can either have like a pinkish burgundy-ish one, I can have a ginger one, or if God is willing, I'll just have a blonde one. I don't know. But stay tuned. We finna get into this. Wish me luck. I'm gonna start with the black dye, which is why I already have this kind of like pre-sectioned off. I kind of try to get my parts like super crispy, because I want it to be like really neat. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and put the black dye on all around here and let that process and do what it needs to do before I even start working on this, because I kind of, it's basically a lot. I kind of want to do it like in 2 separate times. Like I don't want to do it all at one time because I'm scared I'm gonna fuck something up. So I'm gonna focus on dyeing my hair black first and letting that do its thing, rinsing it out completely, and then I'm gonna bleach my hair and work on my skunk stripe. Okay, so yeah, let's just get into this. Alright y'all, so I'm more or less ready. I made my little cape. I'm double gloved up with the rubber band so they don't slip off. And I took my, you know, stuff out the box. I did get 2 bottles, so I'm going to now mix both of these up and just really start generously applying it to the part of my hair that I do want jet black. I just wanted to come and check in, touch bases. I ain't want to just skip a step and not tell you, so I'm just letting y'all know what's going on. I'm about to apply this to my head. I will check in once it's on and I'm waiting my little time. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave it in for. I do not read the instructions. I'm gonna just try to glance and see if it gives me a time anywhere. Cause that also might contribute to the fact that my damn hair don't be black after a while. Hold on, let me try to glance over this. Okay, timing, natural hair, 30 minutes. So once I have this on here and I'm waiting my little 30 minutes, I'm gonna come let y'all know what it's giving. The black dye is on. I made sure I was very thorough with getting it everywhere, like everywhere. I probably put more than enough. So hopefully this time I get jet black hair. But I also left this piece out because I was terrified that when I put the bag on, if I covered it, that the locks with the black dye would kind of move and then get on that section. So I kind of left it out. I hope it hasn't, none has seeped over to that section. I'm just hoping and praying that this is going right, but I don't know. We have to wait and see. I don't know if I ever explained the importance of the double glove, but for me, I double glove because after I apply it, the first glove comes off and then I wear my second glove when I rinse it out, because I feel like it's stupid to not wear gloves when you're rinsing it out, because you're rinsing it off, so it's like coming off and it will get on your fingertips. And if you wear nails, have nails, it's gonna like get on, you know, color your nails, and I don't want that. So the first glove has come off and I'm still wearing these second gloves until I fully rinse the black dye off. And I don't want to take no chances taking them off, putting them on, so I'm just gonna wear them. It don't bother me. I do have a rubber band around here just in case. I don't want anything to seep under the glove because I've had that happen to me before. That's just a little tip that I wanted to add in about the double glove, because I got a question before in a previous video about the double glove. But yeah, I'm gonna wait my 30 minutes and probably watch something, and I'll come back once I've rinsed it out and I'm ready to move on to dealing with this little section. I'm back. It's been a couple hours. I did have to get in the shower to wash this black dye out because I was super scared of getting it on this part, and I didn't want it to get on this part at all. I really wanted to keep this part completely dry. I didn't keep it completely dry, but it ain't soaking wet, so I think I did good. And I'm like 100% satisfied with my black dye. Like, it is blackity black period. So I'm happy. I am so happy. Like, it's giving healthy, it's giving shiny, it's giving consistency. We love to see it. So now I'm about to start working on this little patch. I think it's only 6 locks. I have them braided right now and kind of bunded up. I don't know if this is a skunk stripe or a skunk patch. Either way, I think it'll be very, very cute. I hope this goes very, very well. I really, really hope I can keep it blonde, but we'll see. I'm about to section it off as far as putting the back up and unbraiding this and stuff, and then mix up the bleach and get started. I'm super nervous. Oh, also let's get into the fact that I still have 10 white nails. Like, I'm that girl. Who you know? Who you know could do that in here and still have 10 white nails at the end? I'm that girl. Alright, I'm ready. So what I did was, of course I'm double gloved up with the rubber band, period. But I cut a plastic bag and kind of use these pins to secure it around the areas where I don't want none of the bleach to touch. Like, I kind of secured it to make sure that I don't accidentally dye none of the locks that I don't want to dye. Like, I just don't want, you know, like, especially not my freshly black dye hair. Like, no, we not playing that. So yeah, and it also creates a place for me to kind of like put the locks once they are covered in the bleach and kind of just let it rest and sit like this. So yeah, now that I've done all of that, I am about to mix this bleach up. Y'all, I've dyed my hair like plenty of times and this bleach shit still scares me. Like, I'm still scared of this bleach. Okay, so I have applied the first layer of, I have applied the bleach and the plastic. I'm letting it sit for, I don't know, maybe like 5 minutes. I ain't gonna let this shit sit that long, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I be scared, okay? I be look, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie, this the color I thought it was gonna be. Like, in my mind, this the color that I knew it was going, like, I knew it was gonna be like this. Myself told myself that my hair was finna be like this. But you know something? I'm not even mad at it. Like, I'm just not mad that it's this color. Like, I'm not. It's darker on the ends than it is on the root. Expected, knew that was finna happen because my stupid ass was scary and wanted to hurry up and rinse it off, so I hurry up and threw some on the roots real quick and waited like a minute and then rinsed it off. But I knew this was finna happen. I'm okay with it. I'm still finna use my purple shampoo though, so hopefully it brighten it up a little bit. But other than that, we finna just rock out with it. I'm not even gonna put nothing on it because I feel like in a couple months or so, I'm gonna be able to do another round of bleach and we're gonna be able to get this thing white blonde. Not white blonde, but really blonde. So I'm gonna just rock out like this. I'm okay with it, it's cool. Especially in contrast to the black. Oh yeah, we're gonna be looking sweet. But I'm about to wash with the purple shampoo and then I'm gonna come back and show you how it's looking. It's giving like sunset, like, I don't know, but I think it's cute. I think I'm not upset with it. Like, I'm okay with it. Alright, y'all, so this is the final result of my crazy day of dyeing my hair and all that other stuff. I don't see much of a difference before and after the purple shampoo. I'm still on the fence about keeping it this way and putting a color on top of it. I may end up keeping it this way. Sorry if it's really, really, really bright. I just wanted to get in front of the natural sunlight here so that you can see like the true color and the true contrast between the jet black and where I did do my skunk stripe. I really love the location of it. I I'm overall satisfied with how it turned out. Like, I'm not mad. I typically wear my side part over like this way, so it's still very, very noticeable right here in the front. Even if I wear my hair to the side here. I am going to retwist and style my hair, probably, if not tonight, then tomorrow. So I will be sure to come back and show y'all how it looks with my hair retwist and style. But other than that, I'll see you guys when I finish that. I need a break, okay? This has been an all-day process. Like, I just need a break. Alright. Hey y'all, it's a couple days later, and I did end up putting color on my skunk stripe because the longer I looked at the blonde, I started to hate it. Like, it wasn't consistent enough. Like, I just didn't like it. So I mixed all of those colors that I showed and got this. I just mixed them up in a ratio to where as though it wasn't too bright. And I got this color. I mean, it's kind of like a burgundy color, which was one of the options. I don't hate it. I'm okay with it. I wish it was a little bit brighter, but hey, you gotta take what you can get when you experimenting. I actually love my skunk stripe. I feel like I chose the right amount and the right space for it. Like, it's not too much and it's not enough. You get what I'm saying? It's not too much, but it's not enough. It's in a great spot where it's seen. If I wear my hair to the side, you can see it. If I wear my hair to the back, you can see it. I'm satisfied. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Hopefully I inspired you to trust yourself and get a skunk stripe. I mean, hey, fuck it. I hope you guys enjoyed this chaotic video. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. Bye.